Actually, that's a sign of comfort right there. He's feeling pretty good.
I love the owls here and everything, and I like seeing the birds. I think West Sound Wildlife Shelter is important so animals can have a second chance. It helps animals get back to their natural habitat in the wild. They deserve a happier life, especially if it's caused by humans. Most animals in the wild and humans don't really get along that well because humans run them over with cars, and they have less and less habitat pretty much every day.
I've always liked animals. I think probably most people do, but the opportunity to work with animals up close and personal, to be as close as this to a hawk, it's almost indescribable. I feel blessed every time that I've got Ranger on my hand and know that I've gained his trust, if not his friendship.
This is Pele, and she is the smallest of the falcon family. She is an American kestrel. She came to us about 1.5 years ago with an injured wing that had healed, but not healed to the point that she was able to fly or feed on her own. So she's got a good home here with us. She's an old pro at doing presentations.
West Sound Wildlife Shelter fills a need that exists because of the difficulty of interaction between the wild world and the human world. This is an exceptionally well-run facility that puts a huge amount of thought into raising, recuperating, healing wild animals that wouldn't have had a chance if it weren't for a place like West Sound Wildlife Shelter. And I'm really proud to be a part of it.